My family loves watching movies on DVD, but we're not always at home to watch them. With Digital Copy, it's really easy to take our favorite Fox movies anywhere we go. It takes just a few minutes to transfer to your computer.
And then I can put it on my laptop, so I can go wherever I want. You can also put your movies on your iPod, so I can watch them whenever I want. At the beach, or on long car trips, or hanging out with friends. Box DVDs with Digital Copy.
Simple.
Fast. Portable.
Family vacations are all about fun. Relaxing, spending quality time, getting to know each other. First, we're gonna need to set some rules.
Dave, come on. Rules is my middle name. I'm the king of the world! Seriously?
This Christmas.
You're having dinner with the captain?
No, I am. You're staying here. I have to go apologize for everything Alvin did.
This is so not fair. He's been driving me crazy. A lot longer than he's been driving you crazy. Hey, Dave.
Alvin?
I'm going to puke.
Alvin and the Chipmunks Chipwrecked. Christmas.
Watch out now.
Come on, let's go.
More fun for everyone.
Oh, yeah.
Build a friendship.
What if we make another me?
Cat's gotta do. Let's do lunch. Down, dog. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. You can't touch this.
Come on. What are you, from another planet or something?
Step it up a little bit.
Excellent.
And that's a sign that the tank is full.
It's Strawberry Shortcake, like you've never seen her.
Welcome, everyone.
With a whole new look. In a whole new place.
I'm opening my very own cafe.
In a whole new movie.
Sweet.
Join Strawberry along with her friends, Lemon Meringue,
Perfect.
Orange Blossom,
All right.
Blueberry Muffin,
Thank goodness.
Raspberry Tort, Plum Pudding,
All set.
and the Berrykin.
I know you're as excited as I am.
On their biggest movie adventure through Berry Bitty City.
We might be bitty, but when we work together, we can do big things.
The Strawberry Shortcake Movie, Sky's the Limit. Now available on DVD.
Very cute.
Good morning, Blue.
Your macaw is a very special bird. In fact, Blue is the last male of his kind.
I have a kind?
The only other blue macaw is in Rio de Janeiro.
Brazil?
Don't worry, I'm gonna make Blue look irresistible.
She's beautiful. She's like an angel.
Okay, I had nothing to do with that. But, you have to admit, it's actually a pretty good song. Naturally. Yeah.
Lionel Richie works every time. From the creators of Ice Age.
Hi there.
The last blue macaws on Earth. These are worth a fortune. This spring,
What are you doing?
Getting out of here.
I can't.
What? You can't what?
Oh, I can't fly!
Is there anything else I need to know?
Yes, I can't fly. I pick my beak, and once in a while I pee in the bird bath.
Awkward.
Anne Hathaway.
Is that a spider on my back?
It's just a leaf. Turn around. Leaf. Told ya.
Jesse Eisenberg.
Bobo here can't fly.
Maybe we can find a bus schedule or something.
George Lopez.
Flying is not what you think up here. It's what you feel in here.
Tracy Morgan.
I got you good.
Jermaine Clement.
Everybody loves
The Parade. Leslie Mann.
Squawk, squawkity, squawk, squawk. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to curse.
Will.i.am and Jamie Foxx.
I saw this big cockatoo with big ninja talents. And coming with me, you little princess. And I was like, whoosh, whoosh. I ain't your princess, leave me alone.
Rio.
We're gonna die.
You did not feel it in here.
You think?